All right, so today we're out here in Quakers Hill and we are replacing another heat pump. So this heat pump was installed back in 2007 under Kevin 07's rebate scheme at the time. And what we've got here is an old split system heat pump. Goes into looks to be like a 400 litre tank, not producing hot water. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off by disconnecting and draining this tank. While we wait for the new tank to be delivered, we will start by turning the power off. So we're going to disconnect the tank.